rider slides out in the corner.
Get out.
Lady at last moment decides to change lanes and hits biker.
Whoa, 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 whoa! What the? Whoa, 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 whoa! What the? What the? What the? Dude! Holy! Hey! Okay, hold on.
Right?
Did you see that?
Yeah.
Oh,
I don't know.
I'm good, bro, but I can't get up. Yeah, I'm test riding him. I'm about to buy the bike. Which one of y'all hit me?
That wasn't me. It was him down there, man.
Oh, hold on. I don't want to get up yet.
Yeah, I would get up, dude.
I need to get off the road. I'm good though. I just don't want to move my leg.
I'm gonna move my car to block off this lane. You want to call 911? Yeah.
No, no, no. Hey, I'm good. Don't call. Hey, don't call. Don't call.
You think you broke your ankle there?
No. The ankle's fine.
I mean,
I don't know why he cut in front of me like that.
he just totally hit you, dude.
Oh, dude. Like, I'm good. I just don't want to start moving and something's broken, you know?
You broke your leg or?
No. I'm good. I just don't want to start moving. Man, and I knew I should have worn my jacket. Now I got road rash. No, it's okay. Do you have insurance? What happened? Did you not see me? Why? I was in the lane.
No.
I was like this, just riding, and then you hit me.
I don't see you. I look near. No have a car. I will turn.
You have insurance?
I have insurance.
You have insurance?
Yeah.
Do you?
You have insurance?
Huh?
You have insurance?
I was test riding the bike, so yes, I have insurance.
Driver of the white truck tried to open the door while biker was lane filtering. Biker after that decided to smash his mirror. Bikers got excited when they saw Lamborghini pass them. For some reason, Lambo driver didn't like bikers, so he tried to hit one of them when he passes him. The driver of the Lamborghini cuts off biker and brake checks him.
Sorry.
They're gonna probably deem me liable. You hurt your body.
You good?
Dude, that's Lamborghini.
That's his fault. I have it on video.
You have it on video?
Yes.
Yes! It's on video!
Rider's front tire blows up while riding. He somehow managed to not crash into the car. While While overtaking, biker gets into speed wobble and crashes. Using a phone while riding goes wrong.
Oh my God. Guys, don't look on your phone. That's what I get. Hell. Damn it.
Oh. Damn. Dirty as fuck in that over here. Oh!
Alright guys, we're doing something different. We're on this bike today because I'm going to go meet up with one of my friends and co-workers and teach him how to ride.
Biker decided to teach how to ride a bike to one of his friends.
What's up, bro? Sorry I'm late. Alright, so we'll go over the basics. So this right here is obviously your throttle. This is your clutch. This is your front brake. This is your rear brake. Alright, just slowly let it out. And when you get enough feet, alright, just there you go, let it all the way out, let it all the way out, there you go. Kind of steer. See? You're riding a motorcycle, man.
Hell yeah.
Comfortable?
Yeah.
Alright, if you get uncomfortable, pull the clutch and hit the brake. Dude, you hit this rock and did a wheelie off of it and jumped. Dude, are you okay?
I don't know.
Sorry.
It's okay.
I feel like that's my fault. I hope he's okay, man. Maybe that was too much for him. I feel like that's totally my fault, dude. I feel so bad. I thought he was going to pull in the clutch. Like, I didn't think he was going to keep going like that. Yeah, dude, the bikes. I'm going to have to call insurance and get it fixed.
The driver could not decide in which lane he wanted to drive. While riding in the group ride, rider in the front slides out. Police cuts off Banshee rider and pulls him over after that.
Wow, he just cut me off. That's crazy, he just cut me off. Oh, now he just pulled me over. You pulling me over? Yeah, what we doing? You in front of me pulling me over? I'm riding my motorcycle to Harbor Freight to go get some tools. So I know I got a tag on it. How you doing, officer? Doing good. How you doing? How's Officer Ziegler doing? I'm doing fine. All right, that's my man. So look, I got it registered and everything. Yeah, I wasn't playing around. Okay. I remember our little run-in, you know, from back in the days. I had the blue one. I switched it up. Okay. I'm fully insured, registered, and everything.
Okay. You just got a tag on it. I didn't think it would have a tag on it. You're good, man. I'll get out your way.
Yo, it's Officer Ziegler. Have a great day. It was good seeing you again. Yo, I swear to God, I mention you to every officer. Oh, yeah? Yeah, because you was the first one I ran into. You the man. Yo, have a great day.
Thanks for watching, and see you in the next episodes.